Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to explain you about the chapter acid, bases and salts. So first of all let me tell you about the taste of an acid. Acids are sour in taste while bases are bitter in taste. Now what an acid does, actually when we dissolve acid to water it gives the hydronium ion. Actually acid gives H plus ions, and when these H plus ions gets dissolved to water they give hydronium ions, while bases when dissolved in water gives out hydroxide ions, OH minus ions. Now I'll tell you about the basicity of an acid. Basicity is the number of hydrogen ion that can be replaced from an acid. Like basicity of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid is 1 as they contain one replaceable hydrogen. While basicity of sulfuric acid is 2 as they contain 2 replaceable hydrogen. While basicity of phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4, is 3 as there are 3 replaceable hydrogen. While acidity of base is the number of hydroxyl ions that are replaceable. As for example, sodium hydroxide's acidity is 1, while the acidity of calcium hydroxide is 2, while the acidity of aluminum hydroxide is 3. Now I will tell you about the reactions that a acid do. Actually when acid reacts with metal they give out hydrogen gas, while when acid reacts with carbonates or metallic bicarbonates, then what happens, they give out carbon dioxide gas. Now let me tell you about neutralization reaction. What happens when an acid reacts with a base, they form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Now let me tell you something else, that when there is a strong acid reacting with a weak base, then we get acidic salt. Like if a strong acid when reacts with a weak base, they forms acidic salt. So when the acids are strong, the salt will be acidic salt. When bases are strong, as when a strong base reacts with a weak acid, then it will form a basic salt. So now let me tell you about oxides. If metallic oxide is there, metallic oxides are always basic in nature, while non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay. Now let me tell you something more about strength of an acid. If an acid gets ionized completely in water, then it is called a strong acid. Okay. But if an acid doesn't get dissociated completely in water, then it is said to be a weak acid. Likewise in base, the base which gets ionized completely in water, they are called strong base, while the bases which does not get completely ionized in water, they are called weak compounds. Like baking soda, it is sodium bicarbonate, which is generally asked. Sodium bicarbonate is called baking soda. Sodium carbonate combined with 10 molecules of water is called washing soda. Now let me tell you about, there is a compound called plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is a compound which contains calcium sulfate combined with half molecules of water. When we add water to plaster of Paris, its formula is CaSO4 into 2 molecules of water. Now I am going to tell you about substances which tells us whether a substance is acidic or basic by showing change in their color. Like if we take litmus paper. Litmus paper is blue in basic while red in acidic medium. Scale called pH scale. There is a scale called pH scale which about the strength of acid or strength of base. There is a chart like start from 1 goes to 14. 7 denotes neutral. From 7 if you go backward, means if you go towards left, then what happens, the acidity increases, while from 7 if you go right, then what happens, the basicity increases. So by using a pH paper we can know the strength of an acid or the strength of a base. So that's all for today, and if you have any problem please write in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and like it. Thanks for watching the video.